Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you China has released a open source AI model which is really powerful for building unlimited coding applications. This model is Nexus N2. If you directly go to Google, simply type this NEX N2 Pro free. If you type this GitHub repo will come. It's actually released on June 8th, just 5 days ago, and this is their GitHub repo. It's completely open source, as you can see, GitHub stars 142. Nexus, you can also find this model on Hugging Face. You can directly download this model as well inside your local machine as well. It's very good model for coding and as similar to Claude Opus, GPT, Quen, DeepSeek. So this is the actual model. Almost 4,000 people have already downloaded. So if you have a powerful machine, you can actually download these. So these are some of the comparison charts which are there. You can read more about it. This is actually the documentation, how to install this. And one more way by which you can use this is going to OpenRouter if you just want to use it online. This is a perfect website, OpenRouter AI. And in this video, we will show you how to use this in the search bar. Simply type here Nexus N2. This model directly will come. It's a free model at this moment of time. It just recently released. So now the company is offering free access. So this is actually the model that you can see right here. Its context window is almost 262,000, released on June 8th, 2026. And now to use this, go to the playground section. You need to simply log in with your Google account. I have already done that. And once you click the playground section, right here you simply ask any kind of question and it will respond to you. You can see that now. Let's suppose I want to build a complete application. So I will simply say build a complex image to PDF web app in browser. So you simply type the prompt and now the AI will start developing the application for you. Nexus N2. At this point it is free unlimited because recently it's released. So they also have integrated access. You can also use it through OpenRouter SDK as well. But this is the, you can even compare to other models as well, flagship models. Right here you can compare it. This is the best top 10 frameworks for Node.js in 2026. So you can even click on that and now it will respond to you. So we ask a question. So this is Nexus N2 Pro free model. Because many people are using this model at the same time, so you need to wait for some time to actually get the response because it's recently released. So you can see that it gives you the top 10 frameworks, Node.js frameworks. I've used it and I can perfectly say that it's similar to Claude Opus, GPT, Gemini, Quen, and we can build a coding application as well. So build a image to PDF web app. So you can see that now you simply ask a prompt here to build a image to PDF web app. So once it completes, so you just need to wait for some time. You can also use it in VS Code as well. Simply install an extension. You can install an extension Clean or RuCode. I've already installed it. So after you do this, you can use this model directly. Go to the settings option right here and directly you configure this. So from here you simply select OpenRouter, then you paste the OpenRouter API key. This is very simple. You get this from, go to the credits option and right here you will see this keys option, API keys. So directly you can configure it in VS Code. Click on, just copy this API key, paste it, and then you simply search for this model, which is Nexus. So we simply selected this model, as you can see right here. Click on done, and now you simply ask a question. It will directly respond to you in VS Code. So these are simple ways by which you can try out this model. Best way is going to OpenRouter, or you can also download this model by through Hugging Face as well. It's not a huge model. You do need to have a powerful machine to install this. So this, you can see now it's actually responded to us. So I simply say, so I simply submit the request. I want an image to PDF web app, create a file with all the features. So now you will see the AI model will start developing the application. So this open source Chinese N2 Nexus Pro model is really insane. You can build out unlimited applications. It just recently released, so you can integrate directly in VS Code through this extension. So definitely check this out. So this is actually a Chinese-based website. You can go to Silicon Flow. If you have a Chinese number, you can test it this out as well. I think India is not available. Yeah, you can log in. This is their official website, silicon.cn, if you want to try this model. But I have shown you all the ways by which you can use this. So it's a free open source Chinese based model.